Hi guys, it's Anthony Molinaro from O'Brien Real Estate with the 7th edition of the Eastern Weekly Property News for 2021, where of course the real estate information is always on the house. I read with interest this week that La Trobe Financial article published on moneymag.com.au, where it said that the Australian real estate accounted for 53.9% of household wealth, and also that is worth 3 times the Australian stock market at $7.5 trillion. Now, we all know Aussies have a very big appetite for real estate, and probably more than any other country. And these statements by La Trobe help put that into perspective. In the US, their love affair might be with shares. That market is up 400% on the pre-GFC levels, whereas Aussies' share prices and market are not even back to parity. The media last week hinted that the market might be overheating and rates might need to increase. The reality is the Australian property market has been long overdue for a bounce, coming off a long banking royal commission and of course the COVID-19 pandemic. And when you consider our strong employment figures, consumer confidence, household savings reaching new highs, government stimulus, low interest rates, is there any surprise? And we all know that Aussies feel wealthier in real estate they spend, which helps the overall economy. Let's take a quick look at the numbers over the Labor Day long weekend. Private sales across Victoria have been trending down, with 1,360 sales concluded. Coming off the back of 2 Super Saturdays in a row, auction numbers were also down, as well as being 303 recorded results with 252 selling, giving us 84% clearance rate. Looking at the numbers within the O'Brien network, we saw 103 new listings hit the market, 105 coming under contract, 96 confirmed sales, and the top sales price being $1.92 million. Here are the news edits making the headlines this week. Population growth revisions have come in, and our population is expected to grow from today's figure of around 25.5 million people to 42.68 million people by the year 2099. The trade surplus rose by $3 billion to a record $10.1 billion in January, showing Australia has now posted 37 consecutive monthly trade surpluses. Retail spending lifted by 0.5% in January to be up 10.6% on the year. New vehicle sales totaled 83,977 units in February, up by 5.1% on a year ago. The Australian economy grew by 3.1% in the December quarter after rising 3.4% in the September quarter, the strongest 6-monthly cumulative GDP growth rate on record. Property of the week this week is number 33 Rose Street in Box Hill. A fine showcase of charming Californian bungalow architecture with views across the spectacular Sky One Golden Age Tower solidifies the exclusive credentials of this signature Box Hill address. Retaining the timeless period elegance, brass light fixtures, high ceilings, hardwood floors, and tessellated bathroom tiles, the original 3-bedroom floor plan of this immaculate Californian has been cleverly extended at the rear to offer a west-facing living room bathed in beautiful afternoon light from the west. Set behind a gorgeous picket fence and immersed in shady gardens, the flat rectangular 657 square metres approx land block sets up a relaxed outdoor entertaining across a brick-paved patio with plenty of flat lawn for the children to run free. Superbly located, a short walk to the train station, the shopping and dining mecca of Box Hill Centro, in the prized school catchment of Box Hill High and Laburnum Primary School, with nearby PLC, Mount Scopus, Our Lady of Sion and Deakin Uni, giving you inviolable access to some of the city's most impressive education offerings. Priced between 1.5 to 1.6 million, this property is scheduled for auction on the 20th of March at 11:30 a.m. Now that's all for this week. I'm Anthony Molinaro, and remember the information provided is of a general nature. You should always seek independent, legal, financial, taxation or other advice in relation to your unique circumstances. Thanks for watching, and until next week, it's bye for now.